Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize your store's navigation. First, let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps and select Smind Sections. Once the app loads, click on the Library tab located right at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Header. You'll see a bunch of header sections pop up, but we want the one that is called Header 1/1. Click Install button and click Customize it. The app is going to automatically redirect you to the Shopify theme editor, and you will see the sidebar on the left and find the header area. Click Add section and select Header 1/1 from the list. Now, we need to clean the old layout. To avoid having two headers, find your original default header section, usually just named Header, and remove it. Also, remove any default blocks that might be cluttering your new section. Then, let's build the structure. Inside your new section, click Add Block. We are going to add one of each of the 5 types. Add a Mega Menu Classic, a Mega Menu Collection, a Mega Menu Banner, a Mega Menu Products, and a Mega Menu Product Tabs. Click directly on the section to open the Global Settings panel on the right and change your logo. Scroll to Logo Settings. Upload your default logo image and a transparent logo image. Next, to make sure it looks good, change the Desktop Logo Width setting to 150 pixels. Now, looking at the menu settings, we don't have one yet, so click on Create Menu. This opens the Shopify navigation page in a new tab. Give your menu a clear title, like My Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item to create your top-level links. Then, to create that mega menu effect, add a sublink menu items. So you can drag that sublink slightly to the right underneath its parent item. You will see it nest directly under the main link. Keep doing this until you have 5 main menu items, matching the 5 blocks we added earlier. Review your structure to ensure everything is nested correctly. Click Save, then head back to your Theme Editor tab. Now, back in the section settings, find the Menu field and select that My Main Menu we just created. And you see it might look basic right now, but we're about to fix that. So we have to find the Header Style setting and change the option to Transparent. This makes the background clear so it overlays your hero banner perfectly. For layout, look for Desktop Layout and select Middle Center. This puts your logo perfectly in the center. Now for the sticky header, we want this to appear on Scroll Up so it only shows when the user scrolls back up. Or you can also enable the option Always Reduce Logo Size so the logo can automatically shrink, reduce size, as the user scrolls down. Finally, go to Color Settings for the transparent state. Change the text color to white. This ensures your links are readable against dark hero images. First, we need to customize the Mega Menu Classic. This block will display the nested menu items into multiple columns without additional media, so you need to click the block. In the Menu Item Trigger field, type New Arrival. This will link to the block that specific item in your menu. Next, I'm going to set the number of columns on the desktop to 6 for a wide grid. Click Save. Next, the Mega Menu Banner. This block will incorporate a promotional banner with a customizable image, heading, and link to highlight a specific sale. So you need to click the block. Type Shop in the Menu Item field. For Banner 1, select an image, change the heading, set heading size to XS, and add a link. Do the same for Banner 2. Set columns to 6, then to expand your mega menu to wider, you should go back to General Header Settings and ensure the header is set to full width. Third, the Mega Menu Collection. This block will display specific collections within the collection's image and title in a card or grid format. So click the block and type Collection to link it. Select 6 distinct collections to feature. Then you need to set the columns to 3 to create a neat grid. Click Save. Fourth, the Mega Menu Product. This block allows you to showcase specific individual products with images, prices, and even add to cart buttons directly within the menu. So click the block and type Sale to link it. You need to change the heading to Product Recommendation and select the 4 most popular products. Then change the media ratio to Adapt to ensure images show in their original size without cropping. Finally, Mega Menu Product tab. This block showcases the specific collections into distinct tabs within the menu, reducing the number of clicks required for a user to find a product. So click the block and type Best Seller to link it. Select 3 collections to create tabs so users can switch between them. Then you need to set media ratio to Adapt here as well. For the final adjustments, you need to go to Color Settings and change the background color to white. So now you have to switch the view to mobile to see what it looks like. And you see every single menu item right here. It always renders correctly on a small screen. Specifically, the collection items display circular icons as a collection item that looks great for mobile navigation. It makes the menu visually appealing and helps express collection items clearly. Next, we need to adjust the mobile logo width to 130 pixels so it looks perfect on phones. Click Save to apply all your changes. And there you have it, a professional mega menu on the desktop and mobile view. Thanks for watching.